Hello and welcome, my dear Standard 11 FYJC students. Welcome to another session of English. As you can see on the screen, we are going to start with 1.2 onto the summit. Now, this is an exciting lesson for all those students who love sports. Students, any kind of sport, whether it's an indoor sport or an outdoor sport, don't you think there are a lot of challenges in it? Yes, especially the outdoor ones. Of course, the indoor ones equally do have, but then the outer ones I feel are much more challenging. So, do you all miss playing sports? The ones who play outdoor sports, I think they have all stopped in this pandemic, and we are all hoping that they all start really very soon. But then this particular lesson, what do you think after looking at the topic? Onto the summit. What is a summit? Yes, students, summit is the peak of the mountain. The top of the mountain is known as the summit. We reach the top. All right. So, students who have been into expeditions or who have been a part of mountain climbing, trekking. बारिश में जाते हो क्या? Yes, places like Lonavala, Mathiran, the forts close by. All right, there are so many people who go for trekking. All right, even our Sanjay Gandhi National Park is a favorite place for trekkers during monsoon. Okay, early morning, Sunday morning especially, are full of trekkers. All right, be it the Sanjay Gandhi National Park or the lovely forts close to Mumbai. But all this year, I feel many have not ventured out. Anyway, so students, even if you have experienced these sports even once, all right, I'm sure you know the thrill, you know the entire experience behind it. The the emotions that are there once you reach the top, once you have achieved or completed the trek, the expedition, okay, the different kind of emotions that you feel are just unparalleled. They are marvelous emotions. You feel the adrenaline rush going on through your mind and body. सो हियर ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक ऐसी कहानी है आज की जहाँ पे ये एक नेपाली हिंदुस्तानी इंसान जिसने अपना एवरेस्ट, माउंट एवरेस्ट, दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची चोटी, okay, he has climbed it, and the thrill that he's experiencing, the feeling that he's experiencing on reaching the cliff, standing there on the top of the world. Okay, so that is all we are going to experience today in the lesson. So the icebreakers, let's just see the questions. Discuss with your partner, complete the web of different activities related to climbing. Climbing, students, there are various activities जो अपन लोग को भरना है. One of them that they have given is rappelling. Okay, rock climbing is climbing up. Rappelling is climbing down. Okay, then there are something known as trekking. Okay, so you have to fill up with different kind of activities that are associated with climbing. Next question, they have told us, see, there are different things. There are certain prerequisites. Prerequisites are necessary things for mountaineering. Okay, you need time, you need to go on a trek on an appropriate time. You cannot, go on to a place when the time is not in your favor. You need to understand the distance. Okay, how far is it? So accordingly, you have to plan out. You need the necessary equipment, the training, the clothes, and also your fitness counts. A few years back, there were a lot of news that there were many people who had tried climbing the Everest, but they were not that very mentally and physically fit. Okay, so many of them unfortunately had died. They had met with accidents, smaller or bigger, major, minor accidents. ऊपर चढ़ते वक्त या नीचे उतरते वक्त, okay, because Mount Everest चढ़ना कोई आसान बात नहीं है. As it is the highest peak of the world, All right. There are various factors that are involved when you are climbing that particular mountain. एक तो जितने ऊपर हम जाते हैं उतना ही एक याद रखना है कि ऑक्सीजन लेवल, okay, the level of oxygen decreases, okay, and then it's not a smooth path, it's not a straight road that you can just go on walking. No, it's not like that. There are a lot of discrepancies. कहीं कहीं बहुत कहीं पर सीधा रास्ता है, कहीं पर it's quite slanting, and on top of it it's snowing. वहां पे बर्फ कभी भी गिर सकती है. क्लाइमेट जो है वहां पर हर पल में हर मिनट चेंज होता रहता है. So all these things are, a person who goes for a mountain climbing has to keep in mind. Okay, तो ट्रेनिंग सेशंस होते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो आपको ट्रेन करते हैं माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग के लिए. ठीक है, बेसिक ट्रैक पर जाना जो आप मजे के लिए जाते हो और माउंटेन क्लाइंब करना, इसमें बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है. All right, it's both are very different. Trek is something that you go just for fun. Okay, you just go for walks, you climb. So that's basic trek which anybody can undertake. अगर आपका fitness level है थोड़ा बहुत, then you can go on a trek. Okay, but mountain climbing is challenging. It involves a lot of risk. So you need to think, you need to be well prepared while going for a mountain climbing expedition. So let's just move on. Let's just see. So this is the person, Tenzing Norgay. This is the person जिसके बारे में आज कहानी हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Okay, he is known by birth as Namgyal Wangdi. Okay, this is a Nepali name, Nepali Indian mountaineer. Sherpa. Now Sherpa is a name given to Himalayan people who stay at the foothills of the Himalayas. Okay, जो पहाड़ियों की चोटी पर या वहां पर पहाड़ियों के पास जो रहते हैं उनको ये नाम दिया जाता है. They are specially trained in mountain climbing, so they are known as Sherpas. So उसको कहा जाता था Sherpa Tenzing. Okay, he was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest, which he accomplished with Edmund Hillary on 29th May 1953. So 1953 की बात है. आज ऑफकोर्स जो क्लाइंब करते हैं उनके पास शायद बहुत ज्यादा बेटर इक्विपमेंट्स होंगे, बट स्टिल ओके, तभी भी जब ज्यादा इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं थे तभी भी लोग जाते थे. दे यूज्ड टू फाइंड इट वेरी एक्साइटिंग गोइंग क्लाइंबिंग द माउंट एवरेस्ट, एंड टेंजिंग नॉर्गे वाज वन ऑफ देम. Okay, so look at his amazing collection of medals. Okay, he's got his medals and he has been honored for various accomplishments. So in this particular lesson, in this particular topic, okay, article, he describes the climb to the top, all events that occurred during the historic climb. Obviously it is historic, उन्होंने इतिहास बनाया है. The article describes what brought him to climbing mountains. Okay, क्यों उन्होंने ये expedition उन्होंने हाथ में लिया. All right. So on to the summit, we reach the top is the name of the lesson. So let's begin. When we left Camp 9 on Friday morning, I was determined to go to the top on this day. That morning, I remember thinking, I was to get to the top even if I die. I was not afraid to die that day. We set out early, and all the way from Camp 9 to the peak, we alternated. तो इस पैराग्राफ में बहुत सारी डिटेल्स हैं जो हमको ध्यान देने हैं. सबसे पहला, he is talking about we. The pronoun we refers to two people, जैसे अभी इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया है, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. There were two people who were there on that expedition. और एक बात अंडरस्टैंड करनी है, Camp 9. Okay, Camp 9. Students, what do you think? What is Camp 9? Now, Mount Everest is that long expedition जो एक साथ नहीं कर सकते. Mountaineers who go on that expedition उन्हें ब्रेक्स लेने पड़ते हैं, ठीक है। एंड दे कैन नॉट टेक इट एनीवेयर, दे कैन नॉट टेक इट एनीवेयर, वहां पे डिसाइडेड है कि कहाँ पे यूजुअली वो ले, ओके उन्हें पता है, उन्हें ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है कि कौन से सरफेसेस पर आप रुक सकते हो रात पर, कौन से एरियाज में आप रुक सकते हो. So you know they are given lot of training for it. So they had waited on that. They had left at Camp 9. That was the last halt. वहां पर वो रुके थे. And उसके बाद वहां से जब वो निकले, what was one thing that was going on in his head? He had decided that he was going to reach the top no matter what happens. All right. So they set out early. And कब की बात है ये? It was Friday morning. And they were alternating. Alternating means थोड़े टाइम एडमंड हिलरी आगे थे. For some time it was Tenzing Norway who was leading. So both of them were alternating. Next paragraph. I would take the lead and then Hillary. The man who follows has a difficult job both in climbing up and climbing down. He is the anchor. The man going in the lead cuts the steps, breaks the way. Apne students, there are a lot of films, there are a lot of Hollywood films which have been made on this climbing, mountain climbing पर. तो उसमें अगर या फिर डिस्कवरी पर भी बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज है जिसमें ये सब बताया गया है. तो उसमें दिखाया गया कि हर एक इंसान जो उस ग्रुप में हर एक की जिम्मेदारी है, पर सबसे ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? जो सबसे आगे है और जो सबसे पीछे है. सबसे आगे है, he has to break, उसको लीड मैन, ओके, he is the anchor. उसे क्या करना है? He has to cut the steps, cut through the ice and break the way. If you have seen these documentaries on Discovery, they don't just step. They first break the ice with the equipment that they have. Okay, और देखते हैं कि वहां पर पांव रखना सेफ है क्या? Because एक one wrong step, एक गलत कदम, and their expedition is over. It can be very risky. Because नीचे बर्फ है, उन्हें नहीं पता कि वो बर्फ is it soft ice or is it hard ice? So they don't know what's beneath the ice. All right, so it's quite dangerous. As we are reading the lesson, we come to know that how difficult it is and how exciting at the same time. So in my pocket, I had 4 flags. When we were still at Camp 4, so see, he's talking about when we started with the lesson, he spoke about Camp 9. But now he's referring to Camp 4. So Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags, those of Britain, okay, Edmund Hillary, British the, United Nations and Nepal. He charged me with the duty of planting them on top of the world. These 3 flags are in your care, he said. When you and Hillary reach the top, put them at the peak. I'm sure you and Hillary are going to do it. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने उनको 3 फ्लैग दिए थे और ये उनकी जिम्मेदारी थी जब वो पहुंचे माउंट एवरेस्ट पर. He must for sure place them on the top. All right, students, as we are reading the lesson, please notice the punctuations that are used. There are inverted commas that are inserted. And why are they inserted? Because they mark the exact spoken word of a particular person. We move on to next page. I told Colonel Hunt that I was carrying the Indian flag with me. And I would like to be on the top with the other flags. So इसके लिए उनके पास 4 flags थे. The Indian flag, the flag of Nepal, the flag of Britain and United Nations. I had to ask Colonel Hunt's permission in his capacity as the leader of the expedition. Expedition मतलब वो journey. ठीक है? तो Colonel Hunt leader थे. Even though he was not with him, even though he was not with Tenzing Norgay at the top, okay, but फिर भी वो उनकी जिम्मेदारी थी, इसलिए और वो लीडर थे, उनकी परमिशन लेनी थी. So now Indian flag, उसके बारे में वो कुछ बता रहे हैं. So Colonel Hunt said, by all means, I'm glad that you know that you brought an Indian flag. Because Tenzing Norway was making. At 1 hour of steady going, we cut across from south face and started up the west side. Students, look at the articles. Okay, when you're talking about directions, we have to use the article. South face and started up the west side where we had to pass up a steep line of rocks. So you know what directions बता रहे हैं कि कैसी उनकी ये जर्नी है वो इतनी स्मूथ नहीं है. ठीक है, कहीं पर स्ट्रेट जाना है, कहीं पर मतलब वो 1 घंटा स्टडी जा रहे थे, स्मूथ जा रहे थे, बट एक ऐसे अब पॉइंट आ जाता है जहां पे उन्हें स्टीप मतलब स्लांटिंग लाइन ऑफ रॉक्स. तो जब स्लांट था रास्ता, टेढ़ा था, that how was it? It was slow and difficult. Now once we had cleared, there was nothing bearing our way. एक बार वो करने के बाद there was nothing stopping their way. Bearing is to stop. But a snow covered incline. Incline is again a slope. But that slope was as it neared the top. So definitely since it's a mountain, slope तो होगा ही. These last 60 or 70 feet up the top were not very dangerous, but we kept up the same steady pace. We reached the small flattened summit almost together. ठीक है, तो कहते हैं कि डेंजरस रास्ता जो था मतलब वो हो चुका था. About 60-70 feet that was there. It was not very dangerous, but फिर भी उन्हें केयरफुल तो होना ही था. They kept up with the same steady pace. What's pace? Pace is the speed. So when they reached the small flattened summit, main peak पहुंचने से पहले, मेन पहाड़ की चोटी पहुंचने से पहले एक ऐसा summit था जो flat था. Okay, they reached there almost together. During the last 50 feet from the peak, Hillary and I were moving about 20 feet apart. दोनों में कितना गैप था? It was around 20 feet. We were tied together with a rope. Students, ये एक और एक बात है, जो लोग माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग के लिए जाते हैं, I told you how difficult mountain climbing is. और जब हम ये लेसन पढ़ रहे हैं, हमें ये भी समझ में आ रहा है कि माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग इज नॉट एज इजी एज अ ट्रेक, जहाँ पे हम रुकते हैं, हम बात करते हैं, थक गए तो रुक गए. यहाँ पर जब आप माउंटेन क्लाइंब कर रहे हैं, तो they cannot stop anywhere, and one person cannot stop because he is tired. ओके, जितने भी लोग हैं टीम में, दे ऑल हैव टू मूव इन टुगेदर. एक इंसान को पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकते, या एक इंसान अकेला जस्ट बिकॉज ही हैज गॉट लॉट ऑफ जोश, ही हैज गॉट लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, ही कैन नॉट कीप ऑन गोइंग अहेड. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज जैसे मैंने कहा, एक गलत कदम एंड दे आर डन. इट कैन बी वेरी रिस्की. सो यू नो हियर दैट्स व्हाट दे आर saying that Tenzing Norgay says that they were tied together with a rope. Most of the time the rope was loose, but when we went over dangerous ground, we drew it taut. Taut is tight, straight. ठीक है, most of the time the rope जो था वो लूज ही था, काफी गैप रहता था दोनों के बीच में, ताकि आराम से अपनी स्पीड पर चढ़ सके. पर जब कोई डेंजरस जमीन थी, पता था कि यहाँ पर डेंजर है, तो दे यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ इट टाइट बांध लेते थे, और दोनों के गैप, दो लोगों के बीच में गैप भी थी, वो कम हो जाती. The rope was a symbol. You have a question in the blue column, students. Why is rope a symbol? About it. Now rope is a symbol because it tied us together. It tied them together. You could not move without the other. We were not two individuals, but a team. So why was rope a symbol? Point number one, rope kept all the members in the team together. Point number two, it made them realize, and it reminded them again and again that they were not alone. They were not individuals, but they were a team. Okay, तो एग्जाम में अगर ये क्वेश्चन आया, तो इस तरह से आपको अपने शब्दों में लिखना है. Every question in your exam is for 2 marks. So 2 points. So point number one, the rope was symbol because it tied all the members together. And point number 2, it reminded them that they were not alone, they were not individuals, but they were all working as a team. Next, move on to the next paragraph. I've been asked many times, who was first? Because इंसान जो पहला आता है, of course he's important, right? He's supposed to be the winner. तो उसके लिए टेंजिंग नॉर्गे क्या कहते हैं? When we were within the reach of summit, I did not think who was going to be first. And I'm sure Hillary was not thinking that. Climbing takes away all your attention. You have many more important worries. You can underline this. Obviously, students, isn't it? कौन पहले कौन दूसरा, इससे ज़्यादा important क्या है कि आप as a team, did you all reach safely? Have you all come back safely? So, you know, that's how it is. Who's first, who's last, that's not important. What is more important is safety of all the members. Whether you have reached safely, everybody has reached safely, and has everybody come back safely. You know, that's important. तो ये रेस थी, बट वैसी भी रेस नहीं थी जहां फर्स्ट और सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट, यहाँ पर बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. What does it matter whether I reach the top first or Hillary? Our main thought was that both of us reached the top. We had to. One couldn't do it alone. Please underline this. One couldn't do it alone. Yes, हर बार उनको ये इसके लिए रोक भी. It was a symbol. उनको याद दिलाने के लिए बार बार कि वो अकेले नहीं थे. They were a team. और जो कुछ करना था उन्हें as a team करना था. If there had been a difference of 1,000 feet between us, then one could make a claim that he was first. ठीक है, कितना difference? 1,000 feet. अगर इतना difference था, then definitely they could say that I was first, you were last. But even then, only the man behind him could confirm the the distance between the two of them. You know, जो पीछे था, सिर्फ वही बता सकता था कि वो कितना पीछे है. Otherwise, there was nothing to tell them that who was first, who was last, and what was the distance between them. Because as I told you, the higher the bigger the mountain, the more difficult the climate change. You know, the soil, the snow below them, the ground below them, everything. There are so many dangers that coming first or last was the last thing on their mind. ठीक है, कौन पहले कौन बाद में, ये आखिर की बात थी किसी के दिमाग में. ठीक है, move on to page 18. When we reached Kathmandu, that is the capital of Nepal, we discovered that a controversy had arisen. Controversy मतलब एक डिबेट, एक डिस्कशन चल रहा था, और इसी बात पर कि कौन फर्स्ट और कौन लास्ट. We talked it over. Hillary, Colonel Hunt and I. We agreed that all the talk was childish. यहाँ पर क्यों ये बात थी? क्योंकि दोनों शायद अलग कंट्री से थे. इसके लिए शायद ये डिबेट था कि कौन फर्स्ट और कौन लास्ट. इसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? We made a pact. What's a pact? Pact is an agreement. And each of us signed it in the office of Prime Minister of Nepal. Each one signed his own statement. I have a copy of Hillary's statement which I carry in my pocket. दोनों साइन करते हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ एक्सचेंज करते हैं. That is how a pact is, a promise. It's a formal promise, official promise. Okay? और उस पर लिखा है काठमांडू, June 22nd, 1953. और उस पर क्या लिखा है? देखो, on May 29th, Tenzing Sherpa and I left our high camp on Mount Everest for our attempt on the summit. As we climbed upwards to the south summit, first one and then the other take a turn at leading. We crossed over the south summit and moved along the summit ridge. So ridge is the narrow piece of land. We reached the summit almost together. So ये ज़्यादा important था पूरी दुनिया के लिए. ठीक है? Because but students, this is for the entire world. जो लोग एक्चुअली चढ़ रहे हैं उनके लिए एक ही चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड दैट इज रीच देयर एंड कम बैक सेफली. We reached the summit almost together. We embraced each other, overjoyed at our success, took a photograph of Tenzing holding aloft, that is, he was holding it straight, the flags, the 4 flags. Yes, signed EP Hillary, Edmund Hillary. तो ये प्रॉमिस था, ये जो अग्रीमेंट था, ये दोनों के पास था, उन्होंने एक्सचेंज किया था. There is another paper like this in English signed by me. Thus, we will not take part in any controversy. As the statement said, Hillary and I embraced when we reached the top. We did as well as our bulky equipment would let us. Students, वहाँ पे इतनी ठंड में जब वो जाते हैं, all right, they first of all they have so much of equipment with them. उनकी बैग ही इतने बड़े होते हैं, and on top of it, they are carrying their tents, they are carrying oxygen cylinders, they are carrying some food, water, medicines. Uske, and on top of it, they're all wearing layers and layers of clothes. They are warm suit. So you know they're actually heavy. तो उन्हें अकेले को नहीं चढ़ना है. Okay, they have to carry weight with them. तो वो कहते हैं, टेंजिंग नॉर्गे कहते हैं कि जैसे पॉसिबल हुआ हमने एम्ब्रेस किया, बट यस वी एम्ब्रेस. We have done it. I remember saying to him, we have done it. So just, we cannot even think how happy they must be, how thrilled they must be. But then we have done it. But we couldn't hear it. We had our oxygen mask on. Obviously, वहाँ पर oxygen levels बहुत कम होंगे. So even if they shout, even if they speak, hardly they can hear. So, when they go there, they are trained with sign language. वहाँ पे जो भी बात करनी है, basically it's sign language that they talk. So first thought, वहाँ चढ़ने के बाद पहली चीज दिमाग में, what was it? My first thought on reaching the top was a sense of gratitude to God. Yes, students, this question is there at the book back. What are the thoughts that were going on in his head? So first thought was gratitude to God. He thanked God. But after failing 6 times, he had blessed me with fulfillment of this desire I had held so long. 6 times he had failed, and the 7th time he was the winner. I placed on the summit the offering to God that I had carried with me. This is in accord with my religion. Accord is agreement. Both my wife and I are Buddhist. I could not kneel because of my clothes and equipment, but I offered a silent prayer in my heart. तो सबसे पहले उन्होंने क्या किया? भगवान को धन्यवाद किया, ठीक है? And since both of them were Buddhist by religion, okay, he offered a prayer in his language, according to his religion. और उन्होंने क्या दिया वहां पर? Okay, the offerings were biscuits, candy, and a little blue pencil. You wonder, students, why a pencil? So pencil किसने दिया था? That pencil was also very important. My youngest daughter Nima, she had given the pencil before I left home. She asked me to put it on top of the mountain as her offering. Usually, what do we offer God? Whatever we have. So, there, Tenzing Norgay, whatever he had, he offered. He offered biscuits, he offered a candy, that's a chocolate, and a small pencil. Now, pencil was given by his daughter. She had requested him कि आप जब जाओगे वहां पर तो भगवान को मेरी तरफ से ये मेरी फेवरेट पेंसिल दे देना. छोटे बच्चों के लिए वही तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, उनका एक कोई फेवरेट टॉय, एक पेंसिल या इरेजर, जो कुछ उनका एक फेवरेट है. So if they are parting with it, which means they are really offering it to somebody special, and here it is God. So it was an ordinary blue pencil, not even a long one. Okay, it was not a new pencil, but उसका favorite था. तो उस छोटी सी बच्ची ने अपनी फेवरेट चीज अपने डैडी को देकर कहा कि आप जब माउंट एवरेस्ट पर पहुंचोगे तो वहां पर मेरी तरफ से भगवान को धन्यवाद कहने के लिए ये दे देना. As I put it down, I pointed out to Hilary. He gave me a big smile, showing that he understood. Yes, so as I told you, there they couldn't talk because of their oxygen mask. All right, but they were so happy and they were all talking in sign language. They just gave him a big smile. So that was a sign that he understood. Then I got out the flags, which I had on a piece of string about 4 feet long. चारों flag उसके पास थे. I fastened one end to my ice axe and Hillary took pictures as I held it up. Okay, so students, obviously it's a proud moment और वहां पर उन्होंने ये pictures लिए. Okay, so यहाँ पे question है students. List the way in which Tenzing Norgay celebrates on reaching the top. What does he do? वहां पर जाकर how does he celebrate? He says thank you to God. Yes, he offers candy. He offers biscuits. He offers that pencil. So that's how he. Okay, he says his prayer. First point is he offers gratitude to God. Second is he says prayer, and third he offers lot of things. Okay, and then see, even you can write even this. He puts in 4 flags and he takes a photograph. Okay, he takes a photograph. तो उसने फोटोग्राफ्स उन्होंने कैसे लिए थे? एक हाथ में उन्होंने फ्लैग्स पकड़े और दूसरे एंड ही हैड फास्टेंड इट टू हिज आइस एक्स. अब वो एक्स तो उन्हें वापस लेके आनी थी. ओके, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? उस आइस एक्स को निकाला और वो जो फ्लैग का एक स्ट्रिंग था, okay, he just kept it there. Okay, he buried it there under the snow. Now snow has got weight, so he buried it there. The next paragraph is explained. As I had to bring my ice axe down with me, I buried one end of the string in the ice on the top and the other in the snow on the slope down below. Okay, so say there was no other option क्योंकि वहां पर ऐसा कुछ था नहीं जिससे वो फ्लैग बांध सके. So what did he do? He just left it there below the ice. Ice के नीचे इसे रखा. When we left, they were lying flat against the summit. तो जब वो वहां से निकल रहे थे फोटोग्राफ वगैरह और सब लेने के बाद, they were just lying there below the ice. तो वहां पे इतनी बर्फ थी. I was very thirsty. I took out a water tumbler for drink, but found that water in the metal container had frozen. So frozen water, just think, you know. So I couldn't quench my thirst. I ate some biscuits, offered some to Hillary. So students, this is such detailed expression. जो कुछ हर एक चीज उन्होंने किया, उन्होंने बताया है. प्यास लगी थी पर पीने के लिए पानी था. ऐसा नहीं कि पानी खत्म हो गया था, पानी था पर पानी बर्फ हो चुका था. So they couldn't quench his thirst. I was wearing a red scarf which my great friend Lambert, leader of 1952 Swiss expedition, had given me last year. It was just a year ago, on May 28th, when we were standing at 28,215 feet, that he gave me the scarf. The scarf उन्हें किसे दिया था? उनके एक दोस्त ने, लैम्बर्ट. और कहां पर दिया था? जब वो 28,000 फीट पर रुके थे. I wore it all the way up the mountain from Darjeeling. As I stood at the top, I remembered him and felt that he was with me. ऐसा हो सकता है शायद कि जब वो कहते हैं कि वो पहले 6 बार ट्राई कर चुके हैं. So students, you must be thinking, why wasn't he successful? As I told you, there are a lot of factors when you're climbing the mountain. ऐसा हो सकता है कि पहले 6 बार जब वो चढ़े हैं तो एक सर्टन हाइट पर जाने के बाद वहां पर शायद स्नो स्टॉर्म आ गया हो, एवलांच आ गया हो, यू नो. तो it would have made all this would have made his climb very difficult और उन्हें वापस नीचे उतरना पड़ा हो. So you know that is why he was unsuccessful. So his friend, when his friend had given him the scarf, he was wearing it all the time and he remembered him. I was absolutely fit at the summit. My mind was clear. I didn't feel tired. इतनी दूर ऊपर आने के बाद भी स्टूडेंट्स, उनकी थकान बस छू मंतर हो गई थी क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में बस एक ही चीज थी, एंड दैट वाज हैप्पीनेस, दैट वाज एक्साइटमेंट एट स्टैंडिंग ऑन द हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. It was a okay. Below, all the hills and mountains looked like gods and goddesses to me. Yes, it was a very divine feeling. He was so happy that he felt that all the hills and all the mountains over there, they were all looking at him like gods and goddesses. 2 or 3 people could stand there on the roof of the world if you cut ice. 20 or 30 feet below the top, there was a flat square for 2 people to sleep. You could pitch one tent there. यहाँ से देखो पता चलता है कि summit is the peak of the mountain. तो वहां पर ज्यादा टाइम कोई खड़ा नहीं रह सकता था. ओके, यूजुअली इट इज सेड दैट माउंट एवरेस्ट एक ऐसा पीक है जहां पे ऊपर जाने के बाद सिर्फ एक ही इंसान खड़ा रह सकता है, एंड दैट्स ट्रू. सी, यू 2 or 3 people कैन स्टैंड देयर, बट इफ यू कट आइस, अगर आप आइस अगर कट करते हो तो ही. ओके, नीचे आने के बाद फीट बिलो वहां पे एक जगह है. ओके, इट्स अ स्क्वायर, फ्लैट स्क्वायर, जहां पे आप रुक सकते हो. 2 people कैन स्लीप. ठीक है, एक टेंट डालकर आप वहां पे, इफ यू आर टायर्ड यू कैन वेट देयर. Okay, now he tells us how is the summit. The summit is flat on one side, steep on the other. Look at how it is. Yes, the way God has made all this is quite unique. It's flat on one side and but it's very steep on the other. There's snow on the northern side, rocks on the south, east, south and east, snowy rock on the west. Wow, this is just amazing. Okay, we can, this is beyond our imagination. Snow on one side, rocks on 2 sides, and again snow on the other side. So 2 sides snow and 2 sides it's rocks. We stayed on the top for a little more than 15 minutes. Obviously, itna upar jaake they cannot stand there for the long time, but still they stood there for 15 minutes. We were lucky that there was no gale. Gale is strong wind, और इट वुड हैव स्वेप्ट अस ऑफ. वहां पे इतनी ठंड होगी और वो ठंडी हवा इतनी जोर से चल सकती थी कि दे कुड हैव बीन ब्लोन अवे. ओके, इसके लिए वहां पर ज्यादा टाइम रुक भी नहीं सकते थे. यू कैन नॉट सेलिब्रेट स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर, दे हैड टू कम बैक. ओके, तो ऊपर चढ़ गए. अब उनके दिमाग में अगला थॉट क्या था? हाउ to get down safely. Look at this, look at this. Okay, how to get down safely. That was what going on in his head. Okay, and that is why he was just looking at different options. Yes, one side that's snow, other side that's rocks. So how should we come down? On the descent is coming down from the summit. I was walking behind Hillary. I was following him, holding the rope tightly. My determination was to make sure he descended safely. ठीक है, 2 ही जन थे, तो वहां पे अगर कुछ होता भी है, भगवान ना करे, but they had no other option. They had no way but to contact anybody. कैसे contact करेंगे? There was no mobile, nothing. Walkie talkie, of course they usually keep one, but then at that great height, God alone knows how they would have contacted if there was some kind of problem. Hence they had to be really very careful. So while climbing down, it was Hillary who was leading. Okay, and both of them were really very careful. I must say that the climb down was more difficult and dangerous than the climb up. Okay, so they say climb down is more dangerous because it's quite steep. The way is full of snow, the snow below them, and as I told you, नीचे क्या है कुछ पता नहीं चलता क्योंकि इतने सारे layers है snow के कि पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि नीचे it hard rock surface or thing. If you slip down, you could go to Kangshung Glacier and there would be no trace left of you. Okay, वहाँ पे खाई थी, एक बाजू में खाई थी Kangshung. Okay, a valley, a glacier, a snow mountain. All right, and if they would come down, they would just come down rolling. एंड कहाँ गए फाइंड आउट करने का, there was no way to rescue them. It was really very dangerous. More caution needed. They had to be really very careful more. Of course, it took less time, but you needed more husyar. So husyar is it's a local language, right? Caution. When I reached Camp 9, my first thought was, thank God we have been spared an accident. And if up to now there have been no accidents, I hope there will be none in future. मतलब जितना मतलब वो difficult रास्ता था, वो जैसे ही उन्होंने क्रॉस कर लिया, उन्होंने कहा कि थैंक गॉड कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं हुआ and hope कि आगे भी नहीं होगा. They were always praying. I had always prayed to God and He had saved me. So you know, इसके लिए जैसे ही वो ऊपर पहुंचे थे, students, he had first thing he had done what? He had thanked God. He had shown gratitude to God. At Camp 9, यहाँ से लेसन की शुरुआत होती है, वापस वो वहां पर आ गए थे कैंप 9. Hillary and I were in no mood to talk. They were so tired and at the same time they were happy that हो चुका था. अब उनके दोनों के दिमाग में एक ही चीज चल रही थी कि बस हमें वापस आना है और वो भी सही सलामत. So they were in no mood to talk. We just attended to our own things. हमने अपना अपना काम किया. आधा घंटा वहां रुके. We stayed there for half an hour, boiled some snow. पीने के लिए पानी नहीं था, पानी बर्फ बन गया था, तो पानी पीना था तो they boiled some snow, made lemon water, drank that. When we left, we took only our sleeping bags and left everything behind in the tent. Okay, from Camp 9 to Camp 8, where we spent the night, was an easier job. Just above Camp 8, where the others could see us, I raised my arm with a thumb up. Okay, that was a thumb up, was an indication that they were safe. So others पूरे group में थे. They were all in a group और उनके group के बाकी members कहाँ रुके थे? आगे camp में रुके थे. And सिर्फ ये दो जन, okay, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, सिर्फ ये दो लोग वहां पर आगे ऊपर चढ़ के गए थे. तो बाकी उनके ग्रुप के जो लोग थे, Noyce and Loeb, they saw us and their faces flushed with joy. They were very happy to see them back. So students, that is why it is said that this is all team. This is all a team. Okay, तो हर एक इंसान अपनी कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से कैंप तक चढ़ते हैं. जितना पॉसिबल है ऊपर ऊपर एक स्टेप कैंप तक चढ़ते जाते हैं. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि कैंप 7-8 तक सारा उनका टीम वेट कर रहा है एंड ऊपर सिर्फ कौन चढ़ के गए? इट्स जस्ट 2 people, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. So, all right, they had reached Camp 8 where they showed a thumbs up to these 2 people, all right, and they were very happy to see them back. As we got nearer to Camp 8, Loeb came to meet us and came up 300 feet with tea and coffee. Students, it's not just flat land, right? But still, look at the excitement of this particular person, Loeb. Okay, he came up to Camp 8 with tea and coffee for them. Another 50 feet down, we met Noyce, who brought us more tea. वहाँ पे उतनी ठंड में बस और कुछ नहीं तो गरम-गरम चाय. You know, that was necessary. The tea smelled kerosene. Noyce ने जो चाय बनलाई थी, उसमें केरोसिन की बदबू आ रही थी. Okay, वो इतना बेचारा ऐसा, you know, Tenzing Norgay thinks that apparently he had made it in hurry, and somehow some kerosene got into the cup. But I thought since the gentleman had taken so much trouble to bring it, I was going to enjoy it, whatever the smell. Okay, so Tenzing Norgay thinks that नीचे आने के बाद, okay, both of them, okay, Loeb and Noyce, they were so happy, so excited that Loeb had climbed 300 feet up with tea and coffee. Also, when they reached down, Noyce had got them more tea. The tea had kerosene, but nevertheless, without any complaint, okay, Tenzing Norgay had the tea, even if the tea was smelling of kerosene, because he didn't want to upset Noyce, जिसने इतने प्यार से, इतने खुशी से शायद सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए वहां पर और कुछ था नहीं. तो कुछ नहीं, तो चाय से ही सेलिब्रेट करते थे. Okay, so that is why Tenzing Norgay had the tea, because the tea was a symbol of love, happiness, affection. So that's how it is, students. Isn't, how did you find the lesson? All right, I'm sure the lesson is was very exciting, and I hope you have understood the lesson. So the lesson ends over here, students. You can just go through all the questions. I'm sure once you have understood the lesson, solving the questions is going to be a cakewalk for you. Okay, so with this, I would like to stop here. Thank you so much, students. See you very soon. Bye-bye.